Actually, I came to Caring Medical 5 years ago. I had an SI dysfunction. I think I had 3 or 4 herniated discs, and I couldn't sit, I couldn't walk, I couldn't lay down for too long on my back. I could only lay down on my stomach, and I was simply miserable. The most that I could stand on my feet was about 6 minutes, and I am a teacher. The injury was pretty big. I was in pain every day from like October, November, till I went to see Dr. Hauser in June. That was my first injury, and that's when I first met Dr. Hauser, and it changed my life. The prognosis through the regular treatment, through a regular doctor was, I don't want to say a regular doctor, but through regular medicine was pretty bleak, and I had to start thinking of down the road fusing my hips. And thank God for Dr. Hauser, because I was able to walk, I was able to run, I was able to work out again within like 3 or 6 months after all the treatments. After that, I had a neck injury, a pinched nerve. I have had all menisci in my knees torn. I have had problems with my left ankle, which is what he's going to treat today, and my right elbow. So he has totally changed my life. When I had the injury to my neck, my arm was numb. I had tingling, I had burning sensation, I couldn't drive, and obviously I was told by a pain doctor the only thing that would help me was doing cortisone shots, which I declined. I didn't want to do them. The pinched nerve was pretty big. I had lost the curvature in my neck, so my neck was pretty straight instead of having that natural curvature. The first treatment that Dr. Hauser did with PRP, the numbing went away. By the second and third treatment, I had recovered the strength, and I had no nerve sensations. I had no tingling, no burning, no numbing. And the same thing with the knees. I used to be a ballet dancer, so working out is part of me, and I love to jump, and I guess I overdid it, and I torn the 4 menisci. So when I went to my doctors, they pretty much said that I had no hope, and probably they could do surgery, shave down the meniscus, actually both menisci inside, but they said that there wasn't much that I could do. I ran back to the office and to Dr. Hauser, and I had 2 treatments. One was PRP, but then he decided a second treatment to use bone marrow with Prolotherapy, of course. It changed my life. I can do pretty much everything. I felt that I had range of motion about 20%, because I couldn't sit, or I couldn't squat, or I couldn't obviously walk or run. I was constantly using tapes, physical therapy tapes, to hold the knee in place. Anything good, my knees would give out. They were very weak, and I have recovered pretty much everything. Of course, there are torn menisci that are still healing, but I have no pain whatsoever. So I have no pain in my back, I have no pain in my SI joint, I have no pain in my neck, I have no pain in my knees at all. Unless I do something like being very aggressive, I might have a little bit of a twitch, and it goes away. So the way that Dr. Hauser has changed my life from injuries that nothing else could give them any relief. I have no words how to show how grateful I am for him.